And then for a time tomorrow night and Thursday, we may see tropical storm force winds, mainly along our coast, running 40, 50, 60 miles an hour. Yeah, I think so. A product of us being kind of on the wrong side, the east side of storms. That's where most of the wind is going to be with this setup. Storm passing to our west, and it doesn't take much. I talked last night about Josephine. That was a tropical storm, moved into the Big Bend area, I think, back in 1996. It wasn't a much storm wind-wise, but it produced all kinds of trouble, including storm surge, heavy rain, gusty winds. The closest approach will be probably Thursday. We'll watch for additional track and intensity changes. Should begin to weaken, though, as it approaches us. It's a combination of cooler waters, water temps in the mid-70s off our coast, some sheer and dry air. So we won't have an intensifying hurricane or storm moving our way. As we lose the daylight, not much left. This is the visible satellite loop. Lots of convection, but there has not been much in the way of intensification, if any, today. There is a window of potential intensification later tonight and tomorrow as it begins to move north and northeast, and it could become a hurricane at that point. Swanee River to Englewood, including all of Tampa Bay, there's a tropical storm watch up. Here's the 4 o'clock advisory. Top winds of 60. Finally has finished its U-turn and is moving just about due north. This track, the line, is still a bit to the west of where most of the model data lies. So don't be shocked if the storm ends up even closer than what the Hurricane Center is depicting at 4 o'clock. So Wednesday night and Thursday, we're going to be in this mess to the east, and it could be pretty rough, especially along the coast with heavy rain, gusty winds, and maybe some storm surge flooding. The probability of tropical storm force winds now getting up around 50 to 60% near the coast. This is going to be mainly a coastal event. I mean, it's going to be windy inland, but the worst weather should be mainly along our coastal counties. Again, it's Wednesday night through Thursday. We've got the wide, partly cloudy, mild to passing shower tonight, 77 breezy. Scattered tropical showers coming up tomorrow, 87. And on Thursday, squalls, strong winds, mainly near the coast, with temperatures in the mid-80s. Not good boating weather tomorrow. Small craft advisory up. Winds southeast 20 to 30 knots, 9 to 11 foot seas. Next tide is a high tide at 10:55. The 7-day forecast shows an okay day tomorrow, but things deteriorate. Wednesday night and Thursday should be windy, breezy on Friday, and then finally some slow improvement as we head into the weekend with temperatures in the 80s. A lot more to go.